Welcome. My name is Steven Wilson, presenting you the all-new GranTurismo Maserati 2024. The all-new Maserati GranTurismo has a V6 3.0-liter engine with 542 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, top speed of 199 miles per hour. The GranTurismo has 4 different driving modes. You have Comfort, GT, Sport, and Corsa. The back seat can fit 2 adults very comfortably. For more assistance of this Maserati GranTurismo, contact Maserati of Fort Lauderdale. My name is Steven Wilson. I'll be happy to assist you.